Hey Diva, so jumping right in, today I'm going to be applying my bonnet. My bonnet is from GLAMSHAE, so definitely go ahead and check them out. I will have a link down in the description box below. So anywho, moving on to the hair. Today's hair is from Lavy hair. I have the Brazilian deep wave in 20 inch. It also comes with a wig cap as well as a pamphlet. And that is all the information that they will provide you with, so it's good that they provide you with a pamphlet and everything. So here's how the hair looks. The density is pretty full. You do have a 4x4 parting area and a lace front in the front. As you guys can see, it does come with 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Now the hairline is pre-plucked, which I absolutely love, and it does look very nice. So as you guys can see, it looks nice on my head. Of course, it'll look better once, you know, everything's done. But this is how the hair falls on me. And now I'm going to show you guys the parting area. So as I mentioned before, it is a 4x4 parting area, and then you have your lace in the front. So this is a lace front wig. So here is how the hair looks. I am just going to run my fingers through it. It looks so beautiful like that because I love my curly hair to be very big and voluminous. So I'm not going to put too much product on the hair today, probably just water and a mousse. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I did not get any tangling surprisingly, but I did get a little bit of shedding, which I'm okay with. I did go in and add a little bit of water as well as a little bit of mousse, and now I'm just going to install the hair using the Isha bonding glue, and then I'll give you guys like a 24-hour update and how I feel about the hair so far. Okay Divas, so I wanted to come back and check in with you guys. I have worn the hair for 24 hours now, and I am really feeling this hair. This hair is really nice. Now I know I did not style it like you would traditionally style deep wave hair, and that is just basically because first of all it's cold, and I'm already coming down with a cold, and I don't want to get sick, so I don't want to wet my hair and then go outside. And I really love it. It has a beautiful texture, and I love how it feels dry. And I don't know, like, it's just really beautiful. Like, I'm just loving this hair. Like, I love the density. I love the length on it. I'm loving everything about this hair. This density is really nice. I hate when I have like really thin curly hair. Like, it is just not cute to me. So I really do love the density. I also really love the hairline. They did pre-pluck it for you. The parting area can use a little bit of plucking, but to me it does look natural to me, so I am not gonna pluck it. But the front is pre-plucked, and it does look very nice, and it does look like they did already go in and bleach the knots for me, so that is really good. So overall, I am impressed with this wig so far. I am gonna come back in about a week, and then maybe I'll do some wet styling there in that video. I'm not too certain yet, but we'll see. I just really love it in this style, so maybe I'll come back. Yeah, next week I will style it wet. So yesterday what I did was I just added a little bit of water, and I use this water bottle. It's like a really light type of spray, so I just sprayed like literally 4 times on each side, and then I just went in with a little bit of this Wave Whip Curl Mousse, and this one is by Cantu. And this one is, yeah, so this is the Wave Whip Curling Mousse. So I really do like this one. So yeah, that's what I use, and I have not like put any more product on it since yesterday. So the hair does work with products really well, so that's really good, and I did not use a lot, so that's really good. I'm just really loving how it looks dry. You guys can let me know how you guys like it. I really do love like the big full look. I am gonna, like I said, style it for you guys next week when I do my update. I'm gonna style it for you guys and do it wet, but I am feeling this dry look, so let me know if you guys are. But so far I am really loving the hair. I feel like it's good if you can like wear it dry without wetting it and putting so much product on it. It's good, but I am gonna wear it and come back to you guys with a styling video as well as a update and final review for it. But yeah, I am liking this hair so far. So if you guys would like to check them out, definitely go ahead and check the links that I will provide in the description box below. And yeah, oh yeah, another thing I wanted to talk about was their packaging. I really do love their packaging. So it comes with this cute silk bag that kind of like matches my robe. But anyways, it comes with this cute silk bag, and I really like this because, as you guys know, I have like a bunch of wigs and it's hard to keep up with them and see like which ones they are. So I really do like the fact that they have it like labeled and everything, and then just having this nice bag in case I'm gonna travel or something like that, or just for me storing my wig. This is really nice. So I do really like the packaging, so I'm grateful that they came, you know, they came through with the packaging and put time and effort into that. So yeah, I wanted to make sure I did mention that. But yeah, overall I am really liking this hair. All the details about this hair will be down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out, as well as the links. So yeah, if you guys are curious or you want to know a little bit more before my review come next week, then definitely go ahead and check all the information down in the description box. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. Are you guys feeling the dry style? Would you like your hair wet more so, or just talk to me? I would love to know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and make sure you hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.